Dear student, I am going to explain life tables. Before giving that explanation of life table, first we define definition. Definition of life table: a tabular form expressing the fundamental and essential facts about the mortality conditions of the people at different ages in a region is called life table. Life table gives complete history of a group of people at different ages as it is gradually diminished by death. Life table begins with birth and ends with death. In a life table, cohort is another important concept. Cohort means live birth, or we call it is radix, and it is denoted by L0. And another important concept of life table is components of life table or description of life table. The description of life table is as follows. The table consists of some columns: x number 1, lx2, dx3, qx4, px5, lx6, tx7, ex power 0, 8. Now we go for x is the age, we can take it 1, 2, 3 up to 100 years. Number 2, lx is number of living persons at age x. Dx is the number of persons who die before reaching the age x plus 1, and the formula we can write down dx is equal to lx minus lx plus 1, or we can find lx plus 1 is equal to lx minus dx. Qx is the probability. It is expressing like that: probability that a person of age x who die within 1 year, suppose 20 years, he may die 21 years, within 21 years. And the formula is qx is equal to dx by lx, or dx is equal to, sometimes we can write down lx is into qx. Px is the also probability. It is a survival probability, that is probability that a person of age x who survives up to age x plus 1. Formula px is equal to 1 minus qx, or px is equal to x plus 1 by lx, lx plus 1 by lx. And capital Lx, it is the average number of years of people in the group x to x plus n, and it is a formula lx minus dx by 2, lx or lx plus 1 by 2. Now go for capital Tx. It is also the formula like Lx, capital Lx plus 1 plus capital Lx plus 2, and so on. And again the Tx can be summarized capital Lx plus Tx plus 1. Sometimes Tx plus 1 can be written as Tx minus Lx. Ex power 0, complete expectation of life. The formula is Ex power 0 is equal to Tx by Lx, or Ex plus of, where Ex is the current expectation of life, and formula is Lx plus 1, Lx plus 2 plus and so on by small lx. We can write down summation Lx plus n by Lx. And here is the problem, and we can solve this problem. Now we go for theorems. Very, very important theorems. Ex is equal to Lx plus 1 plus Lx plus 2 plus and so on divided by small lx. Or we can prove Ex is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity Lx plus n by Lx. Proof. We know that Lx is the number of living person at age x, and dx among Lx is the number of persons who die before reaching the age x plus 1. That means dx persons will live averagely 0 years. That means x to x plus 1 means, suppose if the baby born at 0 years, and in the first year, before the first year, she will die or he will die. So that age, living age, we consider as 0 years. The total number of years lived by dx person is equal to 0 into dx. Similar fashion we can write down, that is dx plus 1. That means dx plus 1 means he complete 1 year, then second year he will die. 0 to 1 year he will live, after 1 year he will die. So we will take it 1 to 2 years between the age, we take it 0. So it is nothing but total number of years lived by dx plus 1 is equal to 1 into dx plus 1. Similarly, dx plus 2 total number of years is equal to 2 into dx plus 2. Write down, we will write down, and the average we will take it, ex is equal to 0 into dx plus 1 into dx plus 1 plus 2 into dx plus 2 plus and so on divided by lx. And you know dx can be written as lx minus lx plus 1, and dx plus 1 can be written as lx plus 1 minus lx plus 2, and dx plus 3 lx plus 2 minus lx plus 3. Similarly, we can substitute that and cancel it, we will get it the answer. And another theorem for ex power 0, complete expectation of life, that is ex plus half. So by definition, Lx is equal to, as you know, that number of living person at age x. Dx is the among Lx the number of person who die before reaching the age x plus 1. And here dx plus 1 person will live averagely half year, because of at the baby with 0 years and she grows up to 1 year, and some babies may die, that is or some babies may live 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 12 months, up to 11 months. So we will take it on averagely half year she will live. So dx persons will live averagely half year. So the total number of years lived by dx person is equal to half into dx, and dx plus 1, 1.5 we will take it 1.5 into dx plus 1, that is 3 by 20 dx plus 1. And similarly we will write down all these things, and we will take it average, and by average we will get it similar fashion, we will get it answer, that is equal to ex plus half. Now we prove that one another, mx is equal to 2 qx by 2 minus qx, or qx is equal to 2 mx by 2 plus mx. As you know, mx is the central mortality rate, dx by capital Lx. By definition, mx is equal to dx by capital Lx, but capital Lx, you know, Lx minus dx by 2, and qx is equal to dx. Substitute that one, we will simplify that one, we will get it the answer like this, 2 qx by 2 minus qx, and cross multiply them, then we will get it qx is equal to 2 mx by 2 plus mx. This is the another proof, and we prove that px is equal to ex by 1 plus ex plus 1, and as or qx is equal to 1 plus ex plus 1 minus ex by 1 plus ex plus 1. We know that ex is equal to lx, small lx plus 1 plus lx plus 2, and so on divided by small lx, and multiply cross lx into ex is equal to that equation, and replace x by x plus 1. So we will get it lx plus 1 into ex plus 1, that is equal to lx plus 2 plus lx plus 3, and so on. And from this these two equation we will get it subtract the two equation, we will get it lx into ex is equal to like this, and by cross multiplying we get it px is equal to ex by 1 plus ex plus 1, qx, you know, 1 minus px. By substitute that one and simplify, we will get it the answer. And we will similarly another theorem is npx is equal to px into px plus 1, px plus 2, and so on, px plus n minus 1. By definition, px is equal to lx plus 1 by lx, and px plus 1 similar fashion we will write down lx plus 2 by lx plus 1, px to lx plus 3 by lx plus 2, and so on. Lx px, we will write down the formula px x plus n minus 1, lx plus n by lx plus n minus 1, and substitute that one and cancel it all, we will get it lx plus n by lx, it is called npx. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you very much. This is very important to you, and theorems are very important for the examination point of view, and you clarify that one. Any doubt, you call me.